With a storyboard image like this, an AI can create a short film
Searching
like
for
this.
human signals. Searching for human signals. Searching for human signals. Is anyone still alive?
Is anyone still alive?
Amazing, isn't it? In this video, I will show you the whole workflow to use Storyboard to control your own AI videos. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Story. So firstly, we need to have a story idea. In this case, this is my rough idea about a lonely robot searching for surviving humans in a post-apocalyptic city follows a mysterious radio signal, only to discover an old recording endlessly repeating through the ruins. So I simply asked ChatGPT to help me write a 15-second script that works for a 3x3 layout storyboard from shot 1 to shot 9. And there I get a cool story script from ChatGPT. Of course, you may ask it to further refine the story to meet your expectation. Step 2. Character sheet. Now we have the story. We also need to define the characters. We want to use HitPaw FotorPea to create 4K high-quality images. I will put the official link in the description. Click on AI Generator and text to image. Enter your prompt here. This is my prompt. You may use the format like this. Design a 3-view character sheet for something and add the aspect ratio and style. Then choose GPT Image 2 model. Click on Generate. After a few seconds, we have a character sheet image ready. You may try more times for a desired result. Then click on AI Upscale. It will enhance the image to ultra high quality with amazing details. Step 3. GPT Image 2 Storyboard. Next, switch to image. Use the character image we created just now as the reference image. Then copy the story from ChatGPT and paste it in the prompt. Add this at the end of the prompt. This is my version, you can customize it yourself. The point is to tell AI to create a 3x3 layout storyboard based on the story and the character. You may also ask it to add camera movement, dialogue, duration into the storyboard. Also choose GPT Image 2 model. Then click on Generate. And there we have a cool storyboard image with instructions. Step 4. Create AI short films. After that, we are using HitPaw VikPea to turn the storyboard into a full video. You can find the official link in the description. Click on AI Video Generator. Choose Seedance 2.0 model. Import the storyboard image. Then use the prompt like this. Follow the sequence and instructions from shot 1 to shot 9 when generating the video. Start with the content from shot 1 in the first second. The point is to tell AI to follow the storyboard's guidance. Then customize the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. Click on Generate, and there we can successfully create a short film like this. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.